Groundwater surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad play a crucial role in assessing the availability and quality of groundwater resources in the area. With increasing urbanization and industrialization, the demand for water has been on the rise, making it essential to effectively manage and utilize the available groundwater resources. Groundwater surveyors conduct comprehensive surveys and studies to determine the quantity and quality of groundwater in specific locations. Their expertise enables them to provide valuable insights and recommendations for sustainable water resource management. Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, being a rapidly developing area, requires careful monitoring and assessment of its groundwater resources. The work of groundwater surveyors in this region is of utmost importance to ensure the long-term availability of clean and safe water for the residents and industries. These professionals employ advanced techniques and equipment to gather data on groundwater levels, recharge rates, and potential contamination sources. They analyze this data to create detailed reports that highlight the current state of groundwater resources in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad. The findings of groundwater surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad are crucial for urban planners, policymakers, and local authorities. These reports help in making informed decisions regarding the development and management of water resources in the region. By identifying areas with high vulnerability to groundwater depletion or contamination, they can guide the implementation of appropriate measures to protect and conserve this valuable natural resource. Moreover, the insights provided by groundwater surveyors assist in the formulation of policies related to groundwater extraction and its sustainable use. Groundwater surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad also play a significant role in addressing the challenges associated with groundwater depletion. An important part of determining the quantity and quality of groundwater resources in the area is played by groundwater surveyors in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad. It is crucial to efficiently manage and utilize the groundwater resources that are now accessible due to the rise in water demand brought on by growing urbanization and industrialization. To ascertain the quantity and quality of groundwater in particular regions, groundwater surveyors carry out extensive surveys and research. Their knowledge enables them to offer insightful opinions and suggestions for the management of sustainable water resources. Being a rapidly growing neighborhood, Raj Nagar in Ghaziabad needs constant monitoring and evaluation of its groundwater resources. For the households and businesses in this area to have access to clean, safe water over the long term, groundwater surveyors' work is crucial. These experts use cutting-edge methods and tools to collect information on groundwater levels, recharge rates, and potential pollution sources. In order to produce comprehensive reports that show the current situation of groundwater resources in Raj Nagar, Ghaziabad, they evaluate this data. Urban planners, politicians,